There is one activity in particular which helps to slow down our thoughts and make us more aware of them. This is meditation, and it's actually really simple. All you have to do is sit down with your legs crossed, close your eyes, and concentrate on your breathing. When you feel your stomach expanding as you breathe in, you can silently say rising, and as you breathe out, say falling. If you meditate each morning and evening, I guarantee that you will notice yourself becoming calmer. It'll become easier to control your emotions because you'll be really good at listening to your mind and noticing your detrimental thoughts before they influence your feelings and behaviors. Your homework is to try meditating every day for 1 week for 5 minutes in the morning and evening. See if you notice any changes. Doing this over exam periods will also be a big help in terms of reducing stress. Doing meditation can become like a mini retreat or sanctuary amongst the busyness of our daily lives. Good luck!